record. And I just hammered right here, and it loosens it up, and right here. And that's what I did for all these right here. See, they come off. Just slide right off. Perfect. No drills, nothing. All you need is a hammer and your Excalibur tube. So let me break this one off for you guys. Holy crap, hold up. Right here. Alright, so I hammered it off. One more hammer over here. Over here a little. Right there. And it comes right off. Let me just push it off. That's it. You got yourself a nice HDPE tube's gonna last forever. Just build a little rack for it and you're it. You're good to go. Got the little thing stuck right here.